Welcome back, guys. We got another unboxing today from LabWorks. Hopefully you guys see. You guys see me. Okay. So what they sent me here is, I believe, a drop pulley puller / bearing puller. I've been needing one of these. And if this works the way it is, then this will be very nice. Had a heck of a time getting that broken fitting off that tank the other day. There's an hour video of that, me struggling. So you guys see a lot better. Okay. Here it is right here. Go ahead and take the shipping plastic off of it. There's your manual. Oh look, they even give you an extra guard O-rings and stuff. So I got one bearing that I need to get off. That's over on stinking workbench and off the other shaft. I believe somewhere like that. Well, I gotta look at the picture on this because it's gonna have a lot of force against it, so. Which it would work like that, but these things are supposed to be yeah, it might work like that. I might go ahead and try that. No, no, that feels like a jam in that, so probably shouldn't do it that way. I know these things, because I had one of these before, not a cross one, but just a regular one. I believe there's 2 thingies per side. Let's put that open another way so I don't have it. They're both too long. We're all the same. Okay. Now we can put the same bolt. The same bolt. So we'll do something like that. Then what we are going to do another bolt. It's going to be nice to have to drop one of these because it's its own source of force versus like putting an impact on one or a ratchet. So good. Basically pretty much. Pretty simple to put together. I mean, it's not like building a rocket ship or anything, but okay, we're at 9 minutes. I'm pretty sure I hear the train, so if you hear a really loud train sound, that's what that is. I hear it running down the rails right now. It's gonna go ding, 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 choo, choo, choo. Maybe that's the last one. And we just have enough bolts for this, huh? I hear the bing, the whip bell. Here comes the horn. Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is. Go ahead and switch it around. Basically, just like that. And then you something like that. So, yeah. Well, it's together. I gotta do some cleanup. Get some paper boxes and stuff out here. And, then I might make a video on me using it. So, hopefully you look forward to seeing that video. Hopefully you look forward to watching this video. And, hit that subscribe button. Leave a like. Check out, labworks. Auto.com. There'll be a link in the description to their website and to this puller. And yeah, catch you on the next one.